The old method of deleting a Facebook page has been completely changed. Now, if you have to delete a Facebook page, then you have to adopt the new method. Let me show you how to delete a Facebook page in the new method. Here you see already, but I am on the Facebook profile. If you are on the page, then okay, start working from there. And if you are on a profile like me, then just click on the profile icon. Then by just clicking from here, you will go to the profile. That means you will go to the page, and what else? Okay, here you see, I have come to the page. Now on the left side, you see there are 3 lines on the left side. You have to click here. After clicking, just scroll down a bit from here, you will find an option called Settings and Privacy. You have to click on this Settings and Privacy. Then you have to click on Settings. Okay, after clicking on this settings, you will scroll down a bit. After you come to the bottom, you will see an option called Access and Control. Okay, Access and Control. Click on this Access Control. After clicking, from here you will see deactive pages. One is unpublished page and the other is delete page. Okay? Deactive means that this is temporary and your Facebook will be gone. Right? It means that no one will be able to see it. Even if you search for this name, you will not be able to find this page. Temporary. Later, when you reactivate, then everyone will find your page again. Another is unpublished. This is also temporary, right? You can keep this unpublished. And the last one is delete. If you do this, your page will be gone forever. Since we are going to delete it, we are selecting it. After, you will see a continue option below. Click here. After clicking, you will have to select the reason from here. Why do you want to delete it? Okay. So from here, you will give a reason. After giving it, you will see the continue option below and click on this continue option. After clicking, it says, do you want to download these? There was a lot of information on this page. There were pictures, videos. This was a post. So if you want to download, then you will give it to the download info. It will take a long time. Download them, okay? And if you don't want to do it, then click on the continue option. After clicking, it will ask you to give the password. You will give your Facebook password that you use to log into Facebook. I am giving you the password from here. I gave it to you. Now click on the continue option. Now from here, they are giving a warning again that, brother, will you really do it? Yes. When you really do it, okay. When you give the confirmation that no, I have decided that I will delete my page, not many people do it. I am doing this work repeatedly because of the mistake. They give these pop-ups. And what else is it? Okay, so confirm for this reason, I am clicking on the delete page here. Okay, so in a while, my page might be deleted. This switched and came here. If I go to this, I can come here now. To enter this, I have to enter with the password of Facebook here. Okay, I give it and I am entering. Here you see my original Facebook profile. I am coming to this. Anyway, guys, this is basically the process. I am not uploading the video anymore. I am ending it here. Like today, I am saying goodbye. See you in a new video.